When studying your present tense verbs, remember we have our patterns: o, as, a, amos, an, o, es, hemos, en, or o, es, imos, en. But irregular verbs do not follow a specific pattern because there's some spell changes. For example, dar, to give. Here's all your conjugations. Yo doy, tú das, él da, nosotros damos, ellos dan. Remember this line here for the vosotros, we're not testing. Decir, to say, estar, to be, ir, to go, oír, to hear, ser, to be, tener, to have, and venir, to come. We have studied already all these verbs. You must study the spelling. Let me give you a hint. For dar, you have the letter Y in the yo form. You see, for decir, you have the G in the yo form, the first conjugation. Another go verb would be oír. See the G? Another verb with the letter Y in it is ir. Voy, doy, soy. So my hint to you when you're getting ready for Friday is to group them. Perhaps you want to group dar, ser, estar. That way you remember on the first conjugation you have the letter Y. Then you may want to group decir, oír, tener, and venir. So you know in the first line of conjugations you have go. Tengo, vengo, digo. Now, this is just a hint. Some of you may want to group them the best way you know how to learn them. Notice also that you somewhat have the pattern for some of them. O, as, a, amos, an. Just here how to remember the letter Y. O, es, imos, en. Here you have to remember that it changes. You drop the IR, but you have to remember to add a go. Estar, this is a verb that we've been studying since August. Hopefully most of you have it by now. Ir, you see how it goes from two-letter word to voy, vas, va, vamos, van. And again, you somewhat can see the pattern o, as, a, amos, an, but you have to remember that letter Y at the beginning with the yo form. Oír, oigo, oyes, oye, oímos, oyen. Ser, soy, eres, es, somos, son. Tener, tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tienen. Venir, vengo, vienes, viene, venimos, vienen. Now, do you notice that venir is a little complicated like tener because you also have another change with the E to an I. E to an I. So for tener and venir, you're not only remembering the go form, but you also have a spell change in the other forms. So this is what we call them irregulars or weird verbs. Hopefully, you are able to practice these at home and be ready for the quiz. Good luck.